it's better to be because in 2, 3, 4 years, di ba? You will be what 28, 29, 30, whatever your age in 3 to 4 years, might as well be a JD graduate, a lawyer. Just do you have to have the best why possible. Ano ba yung why mo? Why are you in law school? Are you there to become a lawyer or are you there to work? You know, one thing that stuck with me, that stuck with me, sabi ng dean namin, because we had a working student classmate, because he had a very demanding job and he was in law school. He was asked point blank by our dean, what's more important to you? Do you want to become a lawyer or do you want to stay in that job? Of course, the answer is simple, di ba? The answer is I want to be a lawyer. So that helped him focus more in law school. Yun nga lang, ano ba talaga yung gusto mo? Maging abogado or maging empleyado ng whatever, government ba yan or private. So it made the decision clearer and the motivation easier, the inspiration to become a lawyer.